pedal.
This class 4 techniques when you're backing away from something.
Back pedal. Power forward.
You repeating his commands is not bad.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Opposite, dude.
Forward. And back on it.
I like that. I like that. I like that exercise.
Paddling backward.
I didn't even have to say your name. You knew I meant you.
Yeah.
You did it fast. There's not
Yeah.
the big tongue. Anybody can go down the big tongue.
Uh-huh.
If you want to grip, easy forward. And stop.
Right. Yeah.
Now it's time to
We're live.
We're live.
big rock there. Get an angle to the left, a river angle left. Back forward, hard, let's go, let's go. Go, 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 go. Stop. Back pedal. Forward. You see the left run there. Over your shoulder. And ready, forward. Gently forward. Cut. Left side back, left side forward. Opposite. That's it, Jim. Good job. Forward, all forward. All forward. Nicely done. Press away, turn right and plunge. Go, go, go. Forward. Forward. Right turn. Opposite, Jim. Forward now.
All right.
Yeah.
That was it. That was it. Ah!
Good ways down here. Let's go get it. Hard
Woo!
Yeah, baby. Stop.
Wipe that lens. That was good.
All together. All right, we're gonna punch this hard. Don't stop pedaling. Let's go. Let's dig in, Jim. Good job, guys. Swimmer. Come on this side. Come on this side. Come on, good. Go, come on.
All right, there we go. Keep it going. Woo. Thank you.
You bet.
You my boy, boo.
Close to 2.
And you held out for dear life to the
Well, I got one paddle. I got there and
Yeah.
grabbed it. It was good.